There is a star 190 light years from Earth that should not exist, not because it is strange or distant or difficult to observe. It is actually visible with a small backyard telescope on a clear night. It should not exist because of how old it is. In early 2026, updated measurements using the James Webb Space Telescope placed the age of this star at approximately 13.8 billion years. The universe itself is 13.8 billion years old. The margin of error in both measurements overlaps completely. This star may be exactly as old as time itself, and the scientific community has no clean explanation for why it is still burning right now, tonight, in a sky you can step outside and look at from your own backyard. HD 140283, nicknamed the Methuselah Star, has been known to astronomers for over a century. It sits in the constellation Libra, close enough to Earth that it has been studied in extraordinary detail for decades. What has made it consistently uncomfortable is its age. Earlier estimates placed it somewhere between 13.5 and 14.5 billion years, a range that put it in direct and unresolvable conflict with the established age of the universe, and created a problem that cosmologists could not simply explain away. The 2026 Webb measurements narrowed the range significantly. The new figure sits at 13.8 billion years, with an error margin that overlaps exactly with the current best estimate for the age of the universe itself. The conflict did not go away. It sharpened into something that is genuinely difficult for the standard model of cosmology to absorb without significant revision. A star cannot be older than the universe. That is not a scientific debate. Everything that exists formed after the Big Bang. What the Methuselah Star represents is either a star that formed within the first few 100 million years of the universe's existence, before the Milky Way existed, before most galaxies had taken shape, before virtually anything we would recognize as a structured cosmos, or a measurement somewhere in the chain that is subtly wrong in ways that have not yet been identified and corrected. Both possibilities carry enormous implications. The first means we are looking at a genuine first-generation survivor from the absolute earliest moments of cosmic history. The second means our understanding of either stellar age or the age of the universe itself contains a fundamental unresolved error that decades of observation have failed to catch. Stars of the Methuselah's mass and metal content burn through their hydrogen fuel on a timescale that stellar evolution models say should have ended billions of years ago. By every standard framework astronomers have built over decades of careful observation, this star should be a cold, dark remnant by now. Instead, it sits in Libra, still fusing hydrogen, still radiating light, unremarkable in appearance through a telescope, and profoundly wrong in every implication of its continued existence. You can look at it tonight if the sky is clear. A star that may have been burning since before the galaxy you live in existed. Still there, still going, with no agreed explanation for what it is still doing in the sky.